Hello everyone, welcome to iCamp in my kitchen. I am Priya Srinivasan. Today I am going to show you how to make coriander and mint pulao. This pulao is a mildly spiced one-pot meal and makes a great lunchbox recipe. Hope you made note of all the ingredients. Now let us go to the recipe. Soak rice for 15 minutes, drain and keep aside until use. Take the coriander and mint leaves along with chili garlic in a blender, add 1/4 cup of water and blend it smooth. Heat oil in a white pan. When it is hot, add clove, bay leaf and cardamom and saute for 30 seconds. Now to this, add the blended coriander and mint mixture and saute for a minute. Now add the washed and drained rice to this and 1.5 cups of water. I used 1/2 cup of water and washed the blender and added that water too. Next add the spice powders, red chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder to this. Add salt also and mix well. When this begins to boil, cover and cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Check after the set time. If you feel the rice is still wet, cover and cook for 2 more minutes. Once done, remove the cover and fluff it up with a fork. The pulao is now ready to be served. Pack this delicious pulao with a simple raita or some chips for your lunchbox. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting food videos. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.